Hello friends, grammar tutorials 297. Today we will see extended use of spatial locations. Extended use of certain prepositions used for spatial locations we will see, and that is as you can see from basic meaning is source location. For example, I bought this from a shop. I took this from the Maidan. I got this from the church. I managed to take this from the school, like that. So there is source location. Extended meaning is causal meaning, causal. Cause, he died from fever. He is suffering from fever. So that is the cause now, suffering from fever. He died of pneumonia. He died from pneumonia. You can also say but in this case we are discussing this. Died of pneumonia. He is suffering from a headache. So that is cause. That's called causal meaning. But this cannot be applied to. This is restricted only to diseases and physical conditions. He is suffering from a fracture, physical condition, not any other. For example, you cannot say the building collapsed from a stone. You cannot say the building collapsed from a stone. No, not possible. Only for physical conditions and diseases. From can be used as we have seen the causal meaning. And you can also use it with hear and learn. Say, I heard it from so and so. We learned from our guru, our teacher. As I have seen written here, he is suffering from fever, causal. Then we heard this from our friends. We learned a lot from our professor. So hear and learn. Another extended use is, we have seen prevented verbs of abstention, prevention, and also persuasion. Persuading, abstaining, asking somebody to abstain from, or prevent from, or withdraw from. In that case, you have to use from plus gerund, ing form. For example, we can say, see there are verbs like this: ban, block, withdraw. Withdraw is not written here. Discourage, dissuade, distract, divert, exclude, exempt, prevent, prohibit, from plus gerund. As you can see now, he is banned from entering here. He is banned from. So, or again, he is blocked from entering here. Discouraged from going there. We have withdrawn from playing. He has been prevented from drinking alcohol. He has been discouraged from eating too much. She has been dissuaded from shouting. Simple examples. I have been distracted from others talking. See, I have been distracted from shouting by others. Distracted. Or I guess I have been distracted from shouting slogans by others. He has been diverted from going there. She has been excluded from doing that. I have been exempted from attending the class. They have been prohibited from entering the country. Moses, for example, was prohibited from entering the land of Canaan. Instead of that, Joshua had to do that. So there you can see that from plus gerund. Listen, verbs of persuasion, distraction, abstention, and so on. And then you have got a withdraw. I told you, okay. Withdraw is not written here, sorry. Withdrawn. we have withdrawn from supporting him. We have withdrawn from supporting him. So in that case, so three extended uses. One is diseases and physical condition. Two, with hear and learn. Three, verbs of dissuasion and abstention and withdrawing and so on. And now coming back to next one is at. At is used for special occasions. We have already seen. He lives at the village. He is working at the office. He is studying at the school. So this is at special occasion. But it can also be used for fixed point in time. He came at 5 o'clock. He leaves at 4 o'clock. We will meet at 3 o'clock. Then I will see you at 1 o'clock. I will take the class at 3 o'clock. 3 in the afternoon, not in the morning. So these are the extended uses of spatial prepositions. From is spatial. Basic meaning is, as we have already seen, source location. I have picked this from the table. Picked from, that is location, isn't it? But you can also say causal meaning, that is restricted only to diseases and physical conditions. He is suffering from a fracture. He is suffering from body pain. He is suffering from back pain. He is suffering from eye pain. He is suffering from shoulder pain. He is suffering any number of sufferings you can have. You cannot say, as I already said, the building collapsed from stone. Impossible. Please don't try to do that. I mean, that's not correct also, usually. Because only restricted only to diseases and also body conditions. And next one we say hear and learn. I think that we have already done it, isn't it? Yes. Then you have got the hear and learn. I heard it from so and so. We learned it from so and so. Right. And the third one is verbs of persuasion and abstention. For example, you say he is dissuaded from doing it. He is discouraged from writing it. He is prevented from entering there. He is dissuaded from going there. He is exempted from attending the class. He is prohibited from attending the class. Understand the values. So from with gerund. And the last one I saw is at. At is special location, specific location. But in this case it can also be used for a fixed point in time. I think I have made things clear to you. You are enjoying my grammar classes. Bye. Have a nice time. Bye. Have a nice time till we meet again. Be happy.